Yo, what's up? This is your boy Julian, coming again with another video, guys. As you guys can see, I'm playing Fortnite right now. It's a great day so far, and it's looking really sunny outside, so that's something really good, I guess. So yeah, guys, so let's get started to the video. As you guys can see, I got some Jordans right here. I already did the unboxing off camera. Yeah, I can never wait to see what I buy, guys. So yeah, this is where they came in. Alright, guys, so let's get to the shoes. Check them out, guys. What do you guys think about it? Are they good looking or not good looking? You guys let me know in the chat. You guys let me know in the comment section. Are they good looking or not good looking? You guys be the judge. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, these have been used like once or twice, I guess, so they got a few creases on the shoes, but it's not that bad. It's not that big of a deal. Like, from far away, they look brand new out of the box, but if you check up closely, you can see like a crease around there, right there. It's not that big of a deal. The shoe looks amazing, guys. Shoe looks amazing, and yeah, let me put it on so you guys can judge in the comments. It's a really comfortable shoe, I'm not gonna lie about that. Check it out, guys. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about this shoe, guys? Let me know in the chat, in the comment section. It's a great shoe, premium leather. It looks great in my opinion. So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video of my Jordans. What are these called? Retro 11s? Can't even remember. I'm not like a sneakerhead or anything like that, but yeah, they look amazing in my opinion. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Enjoyed this video of my Jays. Great shoe. Alright, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoyed. It will mean a lot to me if you guys subscribe. I'm at 1,000 subscribers right now. That's amazing. Thank you guys all for the support, the amazing support. So yeah, I decided to come up with this quick video of my Jordans. So yeah, today's Easter, guys, so I hope you guys are having a great Sunday, great Easter. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, guys. Share it with your friends. And yeah, that's about it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. You guys give me some video ideas down below in the comments. What should I do next? What plans should I do in the future? You guys let me know. Should I do more unboxings? You guys let me know in the chat, in the comments. Alright, thank you all for watching, guys, and see you guys in the next one. Peace. By the way, guys, huge shout out to Retro King. This is the place where I got the Jays from. So yeah, shout out to them.